So we start with stage one. It's called start and stabilize. Now, at this stage, and again, I'm assuming that you're really starting from scratch. You're not bringing an existing book of business with you from an existing firm and starting your practice, but you are hanging a shingle and getting going. And at that point, we really are focused on two things: clients and cash. Right? You need to get those clients in the door so that you can get the cash that you need to pay your bills and get started and sustain yourself. For a lot of folks, this stage can feel pretty chaotic. The owner, the founder is doing all the things, right? They're working in the business because they're doing the intake, they're doing the billing and the collections and the IT, and they have to do all the legal work. And so it can be pretty overwhelming. And it's honestly, it's a pretty hard stage for a lot of folks to be in because everything is dependent on that owner or founder. When we work with firms at this stage, the goal here is to get out of chaos and into control. So we want to make sure that we have at least one good, reliable marketing channel that's bringing clients in the door. We want to have our handle on our finances. Exactly how much do we need each month to cover our expenses, make sure that we're making some money. That's the goal of all this, right? And then we want to put some good time management habits in place. We want to make sure that we're starting to really think about getting that owner out of the focus of everything so that they can start delegating and be in a position where they're not the only ones that the business is relying on to get things done.